Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI note-taking app to help you decide which of these platform would be a better option for you in 2025. So to get started with quick analysis about ClickUp and Craft AI. So to get started, ClickUp is a comprehensive productivity platform designed for project management and team collaboration. It lets you combine tasks, document, goals, timelines, and even more all in a unified space, perfect for people who want their note directly tied to their daily workflow with a powerful collaborations, flexible view options, and automation. ClickUp is a strong match for project managers and teams who need a tools that bring everything together. Talking about Craft, on the other hand, focus on creating rich, well-structured document and note. It lets you tie together content with a blog, adding text, images, checklist, and even media to produce a published, flexible document that feels more like a digital notebook. Craft is perfect for individual or small teams who want a lightweight, elegant way to organize their thought and collaborate on knowledge. So if you need a robust platform to manage all your tasks alongside your note, go for the ClickUp. But if you want a stylish, flexible note taker for rich document, Craft might be the best option in 2025 or a best match for you in 2025. And that's it. So let me know in your comment section what you think about these two AI note taking app platform. And that's it.